Regina here. To your success. I like that expression. My first book has just been released in the end of June, and it's called Structure is Key to Success, and it's obviously written in English because I want to reach out to more people. Success, what is that to you? I would recommend you to write down a plan, how you want your life to look like for the upcoming 5 to 10 years. What do you want to achieve? What do you want to do? And then identify areas in your life that is distracting you or preventing you from reaching what you really want. It's very good to have an accountability partner who really helps you to follow through and not to get stuck. And also when you start to question yourself, because it always comes, we know that. It's obstacles, it's moments where you grow as a person. It can hurt a lot. You need to sacrifice something that is blocking you or that is in your way. It could be bad habits. It could be too much time you spend on other things that is only stopping you from reaching what you really want in life. So write down a plan for how you want your life to look like the upcoming 5 to 10 years. I really want to recommend you to do that. And I have online in real life coaching sessions, but I also have some pre-recorded options with the basics that you need, and obviously the pre-recorded versions is much cheaper, of course. So the one-on-one in real life coaching sessions online is more expensive, of course, because it's tailor-made for what you really need. But the basics, it's the pre-recorded versions. And my book also talks about the most important part. You need you to take you where you want to go. And there you need to have good habits so you can exchange or kick out the bad habits and create new good habits. So if you want to make it in the long run, especially, it's so important. I often compare it into the sports. If you run a marathon, you know that you make a lot of preparations. It's so important how much you sleep, what you eat, and before the race, but also during the race. So I have a lot of interesting advice to give you, and I have experience within business. I reached goals that I am really happy about. So I really want to help you, encourage you to reach your life goals. So check out the link in the description here. You can please visit my website and also follow me on social media. So I hope to hear from you soon, so I can help you to be your accountability partner. Have a great day.